Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy Hamster Kombat Coins. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch open your Telegram application and launch open the Hamster Kombat bot like the usual way. Once you load up your Hamster Kombat bot, you will be able to see this interface. You cannot directly buy Hamster Kombat Coins using Telegram or any other method. Hamster Kombat Coins are earned in games through various activities. In order to earn Hamster Kombat Coins, you can simply go ahead and tap on the middle of the homepage. The primary method to earn coins is by continuously tapping on the screen. The more you tap, the more coins you will be earning, as you can see on the interface. Another way to earn Hamster Kombat Coins is to go ahead and match combo cards that can help you earn additional coins. Tap on Daily Combo on the top right corner and then match the combo card by selecting one of the combos on the screen. Another way to do so is to go ahead and tap on Daily Reward at the top left and then complete the task list provided on this page. There are some list of the tasks you can complete to earn specific amount of coins. Simply go ahead and select one of the tasks and complete it. Once you do that, you will be receiving rewards as coins. You can also go ahead and easily earn more coins by inviting friends, choosing your exchange, following X accounts, joining Telegram channel, and much more. Focus on these methods to accumulate coin within the game. So that is how you will be able to earn coins on Hamster Kombat. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.